So I just got out of the shower like not too long ago. This is how I'm starting this video because this is how I want to start this video. So right now I'm going to do a face mask because I need it. It's like my face is okay, but it's not like amazing. I just worked out too, so like I'm like still shaking. And then we're gonna go make brownies for my family. Hopefully they get to eat at least one before they go to bed. I should have done it like 10 minutes ago, but like I literally couldn't breathe. So my hair keeps getting stuck to my face. I look crazy and this lighting doesn't help. I'm making these brownies.
It is very useful. I take it twice.
Oh, I know, right? I wear that while I'm getting ready in the morning. I have to like stand stupid to keep my glasses on. It's because it's sliding off because of the face mask.
Oh, well, yeah.
Well, I can't see without my glasses. Yeah, that's me. I worked out so hard. 1 cup of water. We have another oil, so that's why I'm not worried about it. Wow. Okay. I did not say Alexa. I said okay. No. Do homework after this. I have to draw. So that's fun. So yeah, that thing's always on. Like, you know.
Yes.
I'm dead inside. Now I'm gonna go draw stuff for my art class because I have those missing assignments and it's really hurting my soul because like it's just drawing. It's not like it's an actual like assignment, like I have to like do research. It's just drawing. So like why should I have them missing when like I can raise my grade like that? That was an ugly angle. I look like I'm going to haunt you. Clean out my backpack and I'm like kind of happy about it. Like I took out all the trash finally. Like there's been like weeks of trash in there.
What happened?
5 more minutes.
Yeah, when you smile.
She has a door. Okay, I'm putting them in for longer. I need to take this off. Hi, it's the next day. It's 6:14 in the morning. So basically the brownies didn't cook all the way in the middle and we don't know why, so we're just gonna like nuke them. Fun and fresh. But yeah, that was that video. This video is like completely everywhere, but it's fine because it's just a random video. Just wanted to put something random because I haven't done that in a while. And yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Look at my face when I fuck up the boys, cause we only have one conversation a week. That's why your friends always hating on me. Conversation a week. Can I get one conversation at least? You helping me breathe. This music's the only thing keeping the peace when I fall into pieces.
Did you take the fried noodles? Ramen.
Huh?
Did you take the ramen?
Why is the handbag right there? Why is it broken?